This porch is definitely my happy place. We have to close it up during the winter for obvious reasons, but during the summer, spring, the fall, this is definitely my happy place. This is our first day this year that we've had absolutely perfect weather. It was almost 80 on this day. It was just beautiful. So today, Joe and I have a lot of plans. We have window boxes we need to fill, which means we're going to take a trip to a garden center nearby. And we also have some planting to do in the garden. And I have a couple of things planned in the kitchen. Really great coconut curry chicken and a smashed cucumber salad. So I hope you stick around. Typically, Joe and I start our own flowers. But this year, we're down one man. That would be me. So Joe's been on his own doing all of this stuff. And while he does have quite a few flowers planted downstairs in our basement greenhouse, he doesn't have the flowers I'm looking for to put in the window boxes on our chicken coop and our outhouse. Yes, we like to pretty up those spaces. So we are visiting a nearby flower place owned by some Mennonites neighbors that we have, and they've just created such a beautiful space. And look at all of these gorgeous flowers. I love that they're literally just down the road. So it was nice to go and visit them. It was nice to just get out. So we found lots and lots of things. And while I'm here, I do want to look at some herbs because Joe did plant a few of them for me, but there's some that I don't have that I lost last year. So I'm going to replant again this year. It seems like they last about 2 years for me, and then they kind of wane out and I have a struggle trying to keep them, but our winters are a bit harsh. Look at all of these. Oh my gosh, I would be in heaven if I could just pluck, a couple of each and plant them here at home. They're beautiful. This is lemon thyme. I mean, it smelled amazing. And thyme is such a great herb to have in your kitchen. A garden center is full of eye candy for me. I love, love, love going to visit garden centers. I love to see all the new plants and the things that are different that I've never seen before, like these succulents, maybe I think they're called. It's just, look, somebody used their imagination there. They're just beautiful flowers. But we need to get going. So we have picked up what we came for, and we're going to head home and get them planted. Pansies are my favorite flower in the world. They look like little faces, don't they? Oh, I love beautiful pansies. They're just a ray of sunshine for me, and they're beautiful. They come in so many different colors, so I like to plant those in window boxes, and a lot of the time they come back year after year. Pansies do like water. They like to be kept moist. Not soggy, but they do like to be kept moist. So putting them here over in the chicken coop, they're close to the garden. So the hose is right there, so I can just quickly water them when I need to. Spring is usually a time of repair and renewal. I renewed myself on the porch this morning so that we could do the repairs. Our window box on the outhouse probably needs to be replaced, but we just keep fixing it year after year. I mean, aside from having to screw on that front panel or pick the box back up, it's held on pretty good. I don't know if you could tell or not, but there's been a few little drops of rain. I tried to show you on the roof of the outhouse. It's supposed to rain this afternoon. We're supposed to get thunder showers. So keep watching this video because I'll show you those later on in towards the end of this video. We are just trying to hurry and get our things done that we need to do outside. It seems to be the way summer goes. It seems to be that you either get a really good day that you can't be outside, or really bad day where you could be outside, or you're half and half and you're rushing. But we did get these done and they look amazing, and they make me happy. While I've been recovering, Joe has been on chicken duty, something he really doesn't care too much for. But he has been collecting some eggs, and our chickens are not really laying that well. They should be laying better than they are, but they are about 3 years old, working up their way up to 4 years old. So it's probably about time we get some new ones. That was something that I was contemplating on doing this year, but I knew I was going to have this surgery, so we opted to wait until next year when I could really focus and take the time to take care of them without worrying about being on one foot. Our spring has come early this year, so we are actually planting the garden a lot earlier than we typically would be. Usually we're closer to Memorial Day, or not gonna lie, sometimes a couple weeks after. It always evens out though. Our summers are short, but we manage to get a lot in, and we count on our garden because we do a lot of canning, we do a lot of preserving, we do a lot of freeze drying, dehydrating, all the things, and that is something that we absolutely love doing, and we do it because we love our family. When you're cooking and baking from scratch, you know exactly what is going into it. You have control over what is going into your food, and I love that. Which brings me to what we're having for dinner tonight, a curry coconut milk chicken. I'm telling you, this is a fabulous recipe. We'll definitely be making this one again. I'll leave the recipe in my newsletter. The newsletter link can be found in my description box below the video. Along with this, we are going to have a smashed cucumber salad. Now, I've made the cucumber salad before and I absolutely love it. It's very refreshing, it's light, and it's incredibly easy. You could ask your 6-year-old to make it and they would do a perfect job at it. I know you've heard me say this before if you have been following me. I love one-dish meals, and this is a one-dish meal. I am putting everything into this cast iron pan and we're gonna bake it in the oven, all of it. So one dish, it works perfectly. So if you're into one-dish meals, this is a great one for you. It's not spicy. You could make it spicy if you'd like to, but it is incredibly easy and it was very delicious. Now this salad is a smashed cucumber salad because I am smashing the cucumbers. They just, I don't know, they soak up all of the flavor of everything you're putting in here. And it's just it's just a real cool way to make a salad. And I mean, who doesn't want to smash some cucumbers? Your kids will love helping you with this part of it. This recipe does call for pistachios, but since I was out, I substituted by using chopped almonds. The almonds tasted wonderful in it. I added some dill. Now, if you're not somebody who likes dill, I think that this could easily be substituted. If you like thyme, if you like rosemary, if you like basil, oh my gosh, basil would be awesome. I love basil. That's one of my favorite herbs. I think you could play around with a few things and add what you like. Even mint, I think, could be pretty darn good in the salad. It's really subject to what you like. Now this chicken, just look at that. Our granddaughter said, "Mimi, this is like a gourmet meal." She thought it was great. And I have to tell you, it tasted delicious. Now remember the rain that I told you we were going to be getting? Well, Mother Nature did not disappoint. And until next time.